Hi everyone! We love traveling with our Jeep Wrangler. Today I'll show and tell you how we equipped our car with a portable kitchen. It has made our trips much more comfortable. When we first started traveling, we didn't have a proper kitchen in our car. This is how it was before. The difference is huge. You simply put a board on the seat and cart food on it. Oops! We held plates in our hands and sometimes we even had to eat right inside the car. It was very inconvenient and made a mess. To solve the problem, we came up with a portable camping kitchen. Now, when we stop while traveling, we can set up a full kitchen in just a couple of minutes. Watch how it works. Now we set up tables. It's incredibly comfortable. We store dishes and utensils in this compartment. It's two-in-one solution, the kitchen and the cargo drawer. Fragile items are well protected. We use eco-friendly tableware made from wheat straw. However, even glass can be carried safely. See how much can fit. The best part is that our portable kitchen solves all our problems. We use it for storage, washing products, and we have tables for cooking and eating. This one thing do it all. Now we can cook on the go. And we can cook any food. We love homemade boogies. Now we don't need to stop by the cafe or we pay and eat ready-made food. We can stop anywhere and cook delicious food. Now we can eat comfortably at the table. We don't need to balance plates in our hands. The kitchen is a transformer. We don't need to have separate cargo drawers and tables. The table is also convenient for playing games, reading, crafting, and even working. We can comfortably use a laptop on this table. If you work remotely, this kitchen can also serve as your home office. Previously, we had to balance a laptop on our knees or improvise. Now, even while on the road, we can work in peace. Combining work and travel is very important for us. We can pack everything back together just in a couple of minutes. The kitchen folds compactly and takes up little space in the car. This is crucial because every inch of space counts while traveling. With this new kitchen, our trips have become much more comfortable and convenient, whether we are cooking, working, or relaxing. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments. The link to this wonderful kitchen is in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more camping tips.